It is the 29th, about 11:40, 12 o'clock. The guys have been working today on the shoring. So, a couple of things we want to go over. This is what this looks like here. These are going up and going up to the very bottom and tying off, if you can see there, to the purlins. So that right there is a purlin. And that's what we're going to be reinforcing right there, all the way across. So it's a two-stage because of the depth of what we've got to do here for weight distribution. Our client, here's a walkway right here. If your folks can keep it together, then I would like you to slide some of your blocks to keep this secure. I can't bump these. They can't be moved. They are holding up the entire weight of the roof. And then you can side load like we had discussed and just pay attention. That's all I need the guys to do is pay attention. Just like my guys are gonna have to pay attention. Our lifts will be adjusted. We'll be working from the north side. I'm going to need probably another 10 to 15 feet on this side for turning radius, because we will be bringing in the lifts. They will both be going up. That diagonal section will be moved, and we will be working straight up there. That's our point. Now those will be going. And this is 2 days worth of work, so I would say by Tuesday of next week, we will have these in place. We are going to do a dry run on Tuesday to get the material up and make sure that the forklift, the articulating boom, can get up that with the material on it and the two lifts. It's going to be tight, not gonna lie. It's going to be something else. So again, if we're gentle, we can continue with this conveyor. If not, stop it. And we need some space on this side, about 10 feet. And that's what I need. And then these outer rings, or these outer shoring, will have to be up until we get to this section right here. Now we have that information. We're just kind of working our way through it now. We received the plans early this last week. So we'll talk to you all on Monday.